In Houston's competitive real estate market, homeowners are always looking for smart upgrades that deliver a strong return on investment. While kitchen remodels and bathroom renovations often get the spotlight, one powerful yet often overlooked improvement is installing a new entry door. Your front door is more than just an entrance. It's a statement, a security feature, and a key contributor to your home's overall value. If you're considering ways to boost your property value in Houston, upgrading your entry door could be one of the most cost-effective improvements you make. First impressions matter in Houston neighborhoods. Curb appeal plays a major role in determining property value. In many Houston neighborhoods, from the Heights to Katy to Sugar Land, buyers form an opinion about a home within seconds of seeing it. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. A worn, faded, or outdated door can immediately detract from an otherwise well-maintained property. Installing a new entry door instantly refreshes your home's appearance. Modern doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes that complement Houston's diverse architectural designs, from traditional brick homes to contemporary builds. A bold, elegant front door creates a welcoming first impression and can set your home apart from others on the market. Energy efficiency in Houston's climate. Houston's hot, humid climate makes energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Older entry doors often allow air leaks, forcing HVAC systems to work harder and increasing energy bills. A new, properly installed entry door with modern insulation and weather sealing helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient doors, especially fiberglass or steel models with insulated cores, reduce heat transfer and improve comfort year-round. When potential buyers know a home has energy-saving features, it becomes more attractive. Lower projected utility costs can be a strong selling point, particularly during Houston's long summers. Improved security adds peace of mind. Safety is a major factor for buyers evaluating homes in Houston. An outdated or damaged entry door can raise concerns about security. Modern entry doors are built with reinforced frames, stronger materials, and advanced locking systems designed to resist forced entry. Upgrading your entry door demonstrates that your home is secure and well-maintained. Buyers appreciate knowing they won't need to immediately invest in additional security upgrades. This added peace of mind can directly influence perceived value and buyer confidence. Durability against Houston weather. Houston weather can be unpredictable. Intense sun, heavy rain, humidity, and occasional storms all take a toll on exterior materials. Older wooden doors may warp, crack, or swell over time. A new entry door made from fiberglass or steel is designed to withstand these elements with minimal maintenance. Durable materials maintain their appearance longer, resist moisture damage, and require less upkeep. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that won't require immediate repairs or replacements. A low-maintenance, weather-resistant door signals long-term value. High return on investment. Compared to many home improvement projects, replacing an entry door is relatively affordable yet offers a strong return on investment. It's a simple upgrade that delivers both visual impact and functional benefits. Because the front door is such a prominent feature, even a single change can elevate the entire look of the home. For Houston homeowners preparing to sell, this upgrade can help justify a higher asking price. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, increasing your property's value strengthens your overall equity. Customization that reflects modern trends. Today's buyers appreciate modern finishes, decorative glass inserts, sleek hardware, and stylish color choices. Updating your entry door allows you to align your home with current design trends while still reflecting your personal taste. A thoughtfully selected door can brighten your entryway, allow more natural light, and create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, features that resonate strongly in Houston's lifestyle-focused market. A smart, strategic upgrade. When it comes to increasing property value in Houston, small strategic upgrades can make a big difference. A new entry door enhances curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, strengthens security, and stands up to the local climate, all while offering a strong return on investment. If you're looking for a practical way to boost your home's value and attract future buyers, starting at the front door might be the smartest move you can make.